Hello everyone! Today, we are going to perform a simple experiment using a YouTube manometer to measure pressure differences.
A manometer is a fundamental device in fluid mechanics used to measure pressure using the height difference of a liquid column. We have a YouTube manometer filled with a colored liquid, usually water or mercury. To make the readings easier to see, the two arms of the YouTube are open to different pressure sources. When there is a pressure difference, the liquid levels change accordingly.
To demonstrate this, connect one side of the manometer to a small air pump while keeping the other side open to atmospheric pressure. When we increase the pressure, you will notice that the liquid level in one arm rises while it falls in the other. The height difference, denoted as H, is proportional to the applied pressure difference according to the equation pressure is equals to density times gravity times height.
Manometers like these are widely used in various applications, including measuring gas pressure in HVAC systems, checking ventilation ducts, and even in laboratory experiments.
As I increase the pressure, we see that the liquid level in the connected arm drops, while the other side rises, and this confirms that the pressure in the connected arm is higher than the atmospheric pressure. This experiment demonstrates how pressure differences affect fluid levels in a manometer and how we can use this principle to measure unknown pressures. I hope that you found this experiment useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.